Do you want to chisel your upper body? Are you ready to transform your fitness routine with simple push-up variations? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the world of push-ups, a classic exercise that's more versatile than you might think. Push-ups are phenomenal for building upper body strength, sculpting your chest, shoulders, and triceps. But it doesn't stop there. With the right variations, you can also engage your core and lower body. In this video, we're not just sticking to the standard push-up. We're going to explore a range of push-up styles, each with unique benefits and challenges. Ready to revolutionize your fitness game? Stay tuned to discover these powerful push-up variations and start your journey toward a chiseled upper body. The journey to a chiseled upper body starts with the standard push-up. It's the ultimate bodyweight exercise that engages multiple muscle groups at once. Here's how you do it. Start by placing your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your palms flat on the ground, with your fingers spread for stability. Align your body from head to heels, forming a straight line like a plank. This posture ensures your core is engaged and you're working the right muscles. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor, then push yourself back to the starting position. Remember, the standard push-up targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps, strengthening them for a well-sculpted upper body. Mastering this basic move is crucial before moving on to more advanced variations. Don't rush the process. Focus on perfect form. Once you've mastered the standard push-up, it's time to level up with the wide grip push-up. This variation shifts more emphasis to the outer chest and shoulders. Here's how you do it. Get into the standard push-up position, but this time, move your hands wider, about 1.5 to 2 times the width of your shoulders. Lower your body to the floor, keeping your core engaged. The wider hand placement increases the demand on your outer chest and shoulders, while your core works harder to maintain balance. It's not about how many reps you can do, it's about how well you execute each one. This push-up variation adds variety to your workout and targets muscles that the standard push-up misses. Now are you ready for something more intense? The diamond push-up is a real game changer for building your triceps and chest. Here's how you do it. Start in a push-up position, but bring your hands together under your chest, forming a diamond shape with your fingers. Lower your body as you would in a regular push-up, but feel the burn in your triceps and chest. This hand positioning shifts most of the work to your triceps, making them work overtime to lift your body. Your chest muscles are also heavily engaged, helping you build a more defined upper body. Keep your core tight and your body in a straight line for maximum benefit. The diamond push-up is tough, but it's rewarding. Next up, we have the Spider-Man push-up. Inspired by the superhero himself, this variation engages your arms, chest, and core simultaneously. Here's how you do it. Begin in a standard push-up position. As you lower your body, bring one knee toward your elbow, mimicking Spider-Man's wall-crawling moves. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. This movement not only targets your chest and arms, but also adds a twist, engaging your obliques and improving your core stability. It's a fun and challenging way to keep your workout dynamic. Let's recap the journey to sculpting your upper body. We started with the standard push-up, which builds foundational strength. Then, we widened the grip with the wide grip push-up to target different muscles in the chest and shoulders. Next, we powered through the diamond push-up for an intense tricep workout. And finally, we introduced the Spider-Man push-up to engage the core and make things more exciting. So how do you incorporate these variations into your routine? Try alternating between them during your workout sessions. You could do a few sets of each variation in one session or dedicate different days to different push-ups. Remember, consistency is key. These push-ups are more than just exercises, they are tools to transform your fitness. The journey to a chiseled upper body is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep practicing these variations, and you'll see incredible results in no time.